my channel, Glow with Candace, and if you're new here, welcome. If you want to see future videos like this and more by me, hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love to see you back on my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you're notified for any new videos that I upload. So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing and review of a new Christmas item from BH Cosmetics. They had a few Christmas items that they released. Some they had already released at Ulta, but then they added a few more things that are just an exclusive on their website. And one of these was a highlighter palette of 4 called the Let It Glow highlighter palette. And you know how I love Christmas, you know how I love highlighters, so together it's like the beautiful combination of my 2 favorite things. So of course I had to have this when I saw pictures of the colors, so I'm so excited to go over this with you guys today. I purchased it the first day it was released on the BH Cosmetics website, but unfortunately, I've been so busy, it's just been sitting in a box in my house for a while now because we got another puppy, so that makes dog number 4, and she's absolutely adorable. Her name is Vera. I'll post a picture here for you guys to look at. But I forget how hard it is having a puppy and managing and balancing everything else. I just gotta get through that little stage, but they're so cute as a puppy. This is my little new fur baby, Vera. She's so cute. Very Vera. That's her little nickname, Very. But she's absolutely cute and adorable and so precious. She's a little red Siberian Husky and we love her dearly, but like I said, it's a lot of work having a puppy. She just woke up from her nappy. She's being such a good girl. We've had her for a little over a week now, so she's absolutely precious. Aren't you, babe? So you know how I love highlighters, you know that it's my go-to thing, it's my go-to jam, so I was so excited when I saw BH Cosmetics came out with a seasonal highlighter palette, and the best part is it's a palette of 4, so it's not too bombarding, but it's just enough, and the colors are just looked beautiful in the photo. So I cannot wait to show you guys. This is the outside packaging of the Let It Glow highlighter palette from BH Cosmetics. So it is a 4-pan palette and it retails for $14 on the BH Cosmetics website. I was hoping it was gonna be released on Ulta, but it sounds like it might just be a BH Cosmetics exclusive thing. So if you want this, you're gonna have to go onto the BH Cosmetics website. And for the details, I'll just read you guys. It says, shine all season long, get the perfect lit from within look with our Let It Glow 4-color highlighter palette, a limited edition mix of shimmering vegan shades for every skin tone. Use a highlighter brush to sweep across cheekbones, brow bones, and inner corners of the eyes and bridges of the nose for a festive next level glow and endless iridescent dimension. It can be worn individually or layered together for a custom makeup color. For an intense sparkly effect, spray your highlighter brush with a setting spray. So honestly, this outside packaging is adorable. It reminds me of a Christmas sweater, just so very adorable with the red and the white and the print, and of course these snowflakes, just absolutely so cute. And then, you know, this gold shimmer shift, it is just so cute. Screams Christmas and screams Candace. Hopefully it screams to you too. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, these are breathtaking. I hope these swatch, oh, okay. So this is the inside. So you have the mirror and it's cute because it has Let It Glow all around. And then these are the beautiful 4 colors. You guys, are you drooling like I am? I don't know if you guys can see how glittery it is. Yes, this is beautiful. So we have Sugar Cookie, we have Starlight, we have Tencel, and Below Zero. The names are absolutely adorable. I love Below Zero for this like white color. I think that's just gorgeous. These shifts of shimmer, oh, just beautiful. It's hard to show you guys the glitters with the camera, but in person, you can just, it just radiates beauty and glimmer and shimmer and you know, all the things that you would expect from a highlighter. So I'm excited to swatch this for you guys and show you guys how it looks. Oh, it's already, look at that. Just dipping my finger in here. So this is Sugar Cookie. You know, oh, they're just already buttery feeling. So look at these beautiful. So we have Sugar Cookie, we have Starlight, we have Tinsel, and then we have Below Zero. So I'm just gonna swatch this on the back of my hand for you guys so you guys can see. Oh my goodness, those, oh, I'm speechless. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you can have a better look up close. Look how iridescent these are and just so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So over here we have Sugar Cookie, we have Starlight, we have Tinsel, and then Below Zero. These are just beautiful. And I really just want to show you guys real slow here, just the shift. They're so shimmery, so buttery. They swatched beautifully, and I'm so excited to wear these for you guys today. I'm gonna wear 2 of the colors and just show you guys real-time use on. So the 2 places I like to apply my highlighter is across my cheekbone area here, up above my blush, and then I also like to go up above my eyelid, but below my eyebrow, on like the eyebrow bone. Don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. So I'm gonna use 2 of the different colors today to show you guys how it looks on the skin. Deciding what to wear, you know, I definitely want to use that Below Zero. I think I'm gonna use, you know what, Starlight kind of goes with my sweater today, if you guys can see, like, the Starlight is this purple color, so I think I'm gonna go with Starlight for up above here, and then maybe I'll use Below Zero for above my eye look. I'm just gonna be using this brush I got my Ipsy Glam bag, or probably just Ipsy bag, like forever ago. It's really cute, nice and glittery and fun here. And I'm just gonna use this brush to go along up above here. So this is it on the brush. You can't really see a ton of pigmentation, but I think there's enough there to give you that nice glow. Wow. That's beautiful, you guys. Look at that. So a little goes a long way. I don't think I need to apply any more there. Like, that is just perfect. That Starlight is just gorgeous. I went in for more for the other side. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love highlighters and I love Christmas and I love this already. That is beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. So for up above my eye look, right below my eyebrows here, I'm gonna go in with this brush I have from Vanity Planet, and I've talked about my Vanity Planet brushes and how I do my foundation look. I'll leave the link up above here so you guys can take a look if you wanna see a little bit more about these brushes and more description on how much they cost and the set and so forth. But I know I had talked about this brush in that video, but I hadn't shown you guys, so this is what it looks like. This is my go-to highlighter brush, and I particularly love it for doing my look up above my eyes here. And then I also like to apply it over here too, but today I wanted to use that other brush. So I love this guy, and this comes in that set. And now you guys can see what that brush looks like, because I talked about it and how I do my foundation, but I didn't show it. I showed a picture of the whole brushes in a package, but I didn't actually show this brush in real-time use. So I will just be using this brush to go up above here. And honestly, the Below Zero is just really what's calling. Well, you know, I don't know. I want to do Below Zero, but Tinsel's pretty too, but I think I'm gonna go in with Below Zero. So this is it on my brush here. Wow. That's beautiful, and that goes perfectly with my eye look today. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I kind of want a little bit more, so I'm just gonna go in for a second time on both sides. Wow, I am loving this palette. You guys, I am loving this Let It Glow highlighter palette from BH Cosmetics. I am so stoked. Like, 4 colors is perfect. All of them swatched beautifully. They had beautiful application. I know I only used Starlight and Below Zero today, but both of them I love, and I love the look that it gave me today. So I am so happy to have this. If you like it too, like I said, it's a BH Cosmetic exclusive, so make sure you head to the website. Maybe they'll decide to release it at some point, but from what I've read, it just sounds like it's BH Cosmetics exclusive. I feel like it's a really slick packaging. It's not too bulky. And you know what too? On the sides here, it's gold, and I forgot to, like, it reminds me of like a Christmas storybook on the sides. Like, look at that. That is just so pretty. But yes, it is easy, like not too big, not too bulky, nice and thin, and you get a lot of color payoff. Like, look how big this is for $14, and I'm sure you can find some coupons, you know, to make it a little bit cheaper if you want, but oh, I feel like I could use this all year long too. It's not just a Christmassy type thing. I mean, the packaging is Christmas, the name is Christmas, but you can glow all year round. And like in my name, I love to glow. I want to help you glow, and I want you to glow. So glow, let it glow, let it glow, you guys. Just really let it glow. But if you're curious, I'll leave the links down below for you to go take a look to purchase. And I know there's some other really like cute things that they release with their Christmas releases, but I already bought a couple eyeshadow palettes recently. I don't need any more. I will say it's really cute with the naughty and nice theme, and I really like the nice palette. That one really caught my eye, and I wish I could buy it, but no, I gotta be good. This was my purchase and I love it. I really think this is well worth the $14, and it is definitely something you should consider purchasing if you love highlighter and if you like a good deal and you like a quality product. I love BH Cosmetics because they really do have quality products for an affordable price. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Let It Glow highlighter palette from BH Cosmetics, part of their Christmas 2020 collection. If you like what you saw, hit the like button down below, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button to see future videos like this and more by me. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down below as well to be notified for future videos that I post. But until next time, bye!